Hi friend, I'm Mr. Jim and this is Jammin in Mr. Jim's studio. Today we're here to learn about the rhythm of music. We're going to be using our entire body to play rhythm. So this is a fun little warm-up activity that I like to do. Feel free to join in and try your best. That's all I'll ever ask. So we're going to use our hands first to wash them, even though we don't have soap. I know it's a little silly, but we're going to wash our hands, we're going to clap our hands, we're going to tap our laps, and we're going to stomp our feet. And in doing this, we're going to learn how to really keep rhythm well. So let's wash our hands on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And though you might not be able to hear this that loud, we could almost pretend like you're saying shh, shh, shh with it. This isn't just a random sort of playing. We're keeping rhythm. Feels pretty good, doesn't it? Nice stuff. All right, so next, we're going to keep doing this, and we're going to think about moving it to clapping our hands. Now, my advice is make sure you stay right with the rhythm, not ahead of it, not behind it. Our body's natural tendency is to go faster the longer we play a rhythm using our hands as clapping. So here we go. On the count of 3, let's clap our hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Nice job. Stay right with that rhythm, right? Nothing too fast, nothing too slow. Right with the rhythm. Here we go. All right, so let's think about moving this to our laps now. And remember, when we put our hands on our laps, let's not do it too hard. Let's do it nice and gentle. So we're not here to hurt ourselves. We're here to just have some fun, keeping rhythm, and be nice to ourselves, right? So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, with our laps, right? You can alternate back and forth if you want, or you can do this with both hands at the same time like that. Either one is fine. Good stuff, right? Okay, almost there at the end. We're gonna move it now to stomping our feet. It's gonna get a little loud. Be silly with me. So on the count of 3, let's stomp our feet. Move the same rhythm. You could alternate left and right like you're in a marching band. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice. Really get into it too if you want. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to do something now that maybe you've never done before. We're gonna do something called multitasking. And with that, we're gonna clap our hands every 4th time that we stomp our feet. So let's count it out loud. It helps me sometimes. Here we go, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, clap. 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 All right, keep that going for a little bit more. Good stuff. You're multitasking. On the count of 3, we're gonna come to a complete stop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Awesome stuff. That was amazing. Multitasking is when you do more than one thing at the same time. It's not easy to do, so you should be very proud of yourself. Great stuff today. Let's celebrate our success today by playing Adios, Amigos. Help me sing along. Adios, amigos. See you later, friends. Adios, amigos. The time has come to end. Adios, amigos. Come on, let's hit the road. Adios, amigos. Ready to rock and roll. Are you ready to rock and roll? Are you ready to rock and roll? Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date.